Hi. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm pretty good too.
Oh, so how old are you?
Guess.
16?
No.
More or town?
I don't know. You should know.
15, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19? Or 20?
Um. Okay. Wait. Tell me your age first.
Okay. My age is 20. Okay.
We're the same.
Same?
La 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 la. Wait. I'm 19. 19.
19,
I will.
19. Oh, so you're living in Jordan?
Yeah.
Wow. This is my first time to talk with Jordan people on here.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Wait, what's your name, by the way?
Miral.
What?
Miral. Miral.
Mirali.
No, Miral. Wait, I will write it.
Miral.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Miral. Wow. So, what do you do on here? You looking for what?
I'm just practice my English.
Oh, me too, same, because I think I wanna speak to in English, but my English is very bad. I hate it.
Me too.
Okay,
But
nice.
see that your English is so good.
No, you better than me.
What the hell? What?
Wait, Mira. Can I ask you something?
Yeah,
Do you know Scooby Dooby Doo song?
yeah, of course,
Okay, can I sing Scooby Doo song for you?
for sure.
Wait, I wanna put my guitar. Wait, don't skip me, okay? Wait. Okay. Are you ready, Meryl?
Yeah.
Don't hate my voice, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you? We need some help from you now. Come on, Scooby Doo, I see you pretending you got a sliver.
Pakalana papoy, babanana. Takalana papoy. Papoy, banana.
Thank you.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Thank you.
That's so cool.
Oh, thank you, baby. Hey, I'm Scooby Dooby Doo.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Oh, thank you so much. Hi, pal. I'm Mickey Mouse. What? Oh my god. I love your smile, by the way. What?
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You're so talented.
Oh, thank you. Hey there, pal. I'm Goofy. Ah, yuck. Oh, of course.
Damn, nobody knows the cake. Damn, did they?
Gosh, I have one friend. It's like Minnie Mouse. Hey, Minnie Mouse, come here. Ah, yuck.
Hi, I'm Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse my best friend. What?
Come بسرعة. You're so talented.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm not
You
talented.
should go talent.
Yeah, I think next year I wanna join in American Culture Work.
You should.
You wanna
should.
support me?
Yeah.
Thank you, honey. Wait, I think I like your smile. I like your eyes because your smile and your eyes is so very nice, very unique. I love it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I
You're welcome. So, Miral, do you ever watching SpongeBob?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, I wanna do impression SpongeBob voice. You wanna hear my voice? Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Hey, Squidward, you like Krabby Patty?
No, I don't like Krabby Patty, and I just like Squidward. Oh.
Hey, Squidward, you like Krabby Patty or Patrick? Hey, Patrick, you seen Squidward?
Yes, I seen Squidward, but I just like Krabby Patty. I don't like Squidward, and I don't like Squidward SpongeBob.
Patrick, it's so good.
Oh, thank you.
So good.
Thank you. Thank you, Meryl. But I hit my voice today because today I'm a little sick. Today, yeah.
I think if you want to I don't know how to say it, but every time I hear my voice like it's so bad,
Yeah.
like I drink honey and hot water.
Oh, yeah. I know.
Every time it's so good for your
Yeah. Do you have Instagram, Meryl?
yeah, for sure. Can I type it here?
Okay. I wanna follow you right now.
R&3 Sebastian underscore Daniel.
Wait, Meryl, I wanna tell you, I'm from Indonesia actually.
Oh, nice to meet you, Allah.
Nice to meet you too, Meryl. I'm so happy to meet you on here. You're so kind, by the way.
So,
Yeah. Wait. Do you ever meet Indonesian people before?
yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So what do you think about Indonesian people?
I think they are so kind person.
Kind?
So, yeah.
So what do you think about me?
You're so cute and sweet and handsome. Everything.
Handsome? No.
Shut up.
Alah.
Yeah. You're
Wait.
handsome.
Can you say aku sayang kamu?
Aku sayang kamu.
Yeah, so wait. Aku sayang kamu Sandi. Okay.
No, wait. What?
No, it's mean how are you?
Wait, repeat it.
Aku
Aku
sayang
sayang
kamu
kamu
Sandi.
Sandi.
Yeah. Aku sayang kamu Sandi.
Aku sayang kamu Sandi. Is it right?
Thank you so much. I love you too, Miro.
Ya Allah.
Yeah, I think it's mean I love you Sandy because my name is Sandy.
Sandi. Whoa. Sandi. It's okay.
It's okay, right? It's okay, just kidding. Wait, actually I'm doing live stream on my YouTube channel. It's okay, right?
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
You wanna see my YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Wait, I wanna type my channel.
Kelly. Yeah. Sandy official.
Yeah.
Big screenshot.
Yeah. If you find my account, you wanna watching my video or subscribe my channel or something maybe. No.
Yeah, of course. I will subscribe.
Okay, I think I have to go because I don't have conversation. Wait, I'm follow you.
Oh yeah, I see. I will follow you back.
Okay, after this, follow back me, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much for talking with me. Bye bye.
Berlama-lama kemudian.
Dan Saktia Mas. Hi.
Hi. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good. How are you? Yes, please.
I'm pretty good.
We too.
Nice.
Mm.
So what do you do on here? You're looking for what?
Nothing. We're just talking to people.
Me too. Same as me. So what's your name?
My name is Rina.
Rina.
And my name is Runa.
Runa.
Yes.
Rina and Runa.
Yes.
My name is Sandy.
Sandy.
Yep.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Rina and Runa.
Yes.
You are so cute.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my god. So, can I ask you something?
Sure.
Do you ever watching cartoon on the TV? You know cartoon, right?
I used to, not anymore.
But I think, do you know SpongeBob maybe or Mickey Mouse or something?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, wait. I wanna impersonate SpongeBob voice for you. You wanna hear?
Oh, sure.
Oh, really? Ah, okay.
Yeah.
I'm ready. Hey, Rina and Runa, that is amazing. Die.
Oh my god. So cool. That's
Oh,
good.
thank you. Hi, I'm Patrick. And this is my friend Squidward. You know Squidward, right?
Yeah.
Oh, hi, I'm Squidward, and I hate everyone. Oh, I just like clarinet. Oh no, I just like you. Hi.
Wow. Keren. How did you?
Because, okay, I want to tell you because I'm voice actor in Indonesian version.
Oh.
I'm from Indonesian actually.
Nice.
Nice.
I know. Indonesia.
Okay, say something in Indonesian word. I think you know Indonesian word, right?
Jacket.
Jacket. Oh, how do you know that word?
I know from her. I don't know.
I think.
No. Okay. I know apa kabar. Apa kabar.
Oh, aku baik.
Bahasa Inggris. Yeah, I think it's good though. Yeah.
Yeah, you know aku baik, right?
Yeah. You're good.
Yeah. Wow, you're so smart.
I know.
I know.
Yeah.
I wanted to impersonate more. You wanna hear again?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know Disney cartoon? Or maybe Donald Duck, Mickey Mouse, Goofy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. I wanna impersonate that character, okay?
Okay.
Oh boy! Hello everybody! Let's go to the clubhouse! Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse! And this is my friend Goofy! You know Goofy, right? Hey Goofy, come here! Gorse, hey there pal, I'm Goofy! Yuck! Oh Gorse! How are you today? Yuck! Oh, and this is my friend Donald Duck! Yuck!
Oh, that's so cool. Bro, wow. Damn.
Hey, wait. Again. Do you know Minion and Stitch?
Yes.
Okay, I wanna do Minion and Stitch. Okay. Wait.
Okay.
Ohana means family. Family means nobody left behind. Little Stitch. And Minion said,
Papoy, pagalan na Papoy? Papoy, banana. Banana.
Wait, it's cute. Oh my god, that was cute.
oh, thank you. Can I sing a song for you?
Sure. Oh, you can sing too.
But I wanna
let's
sing. Wait, but I wanna sing in cartoon voice. Wait, do you know Scooby-Doo song? Scooby-Doo, where
Yeah.
are you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, wait. I wanna sing in Scooby-Doo voice and Patrick voice and Minion voice, okay?
Oh, okay.
Wait. Okay. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We need some help from you now. Come on, Scooby-Doo, I see you. pretending you got a sliver.
Takalana papoy, babanana. Takalana papoy. Papoy, banana.
Wow. Oh. I love the minion voice, really. This is so cute.
Ah, you like me? Oh no, I think you like my voice.
Yeah, sure.
I think you just like my voice, not like me. No, just kidding. Just how old are you?
I'm 20.
20? Oh my god, same.
Oh my god.
But my face look like so older, right?
No.
No?
Nah.
How do
I
you
thought
think
you were
about?
19.
How do you think about in my face?
19.
19? Okay, thank you. So
Yeah.
I think you ever always meet Indonesian people on here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because so many Indonesian people saw you sing in Korean server on Ome TV.
So I guess you too. Like,
It was nice really meet you on here. So by the way, I don't have conversation, so I have to go, right? Rina and
alright.
Runa, right?
Yes.
Okay, Rina and Runa, have a healthy, happiness day for you guys.
You too.
Bye
And get some
bye.
small food.